Before every clean, take a moment to plan. Your work should never feel rushed or chaotic. A good clean always begins with structure. Remember the rule: top to bottom, least dirty to most dirty. This simple order saves time and prevents mistakes. Bathrooms come first. They start wet, and your cleaning adds more moisture. Doing them early gives surfaces time to dry before the final vacuum and mop. Then move through the home logically. Dusting, kitchen services, final detailing, floors last. Use light as your checklist. Turn everything on when you start. Turn lights off only when a room is completely finished. This keeps you focused and prevents missed areas. Work with clean cloths. Start with the least dirty areas and move toward the most dirty. Never bring a greasy cloth into a clean room. Bring plenty of cloth so you never have to reuse a dirty one. Follow the 5-step method: dirty cleaning, dusting, washing, drying, detailing. This sequence keeps your work efficient and consistent. Manage your time with purpose. Some homes are quick, some are more demanding. Stay steady. Stay focused. Rushing creates mistakes and slows you down. Organization is professionalism. A structured cleaner works calmly, confidently, and with pride. Clients can feel the difference. And remember, speed comes from experience, not from rushing. Your rhythm will grow with every home you clean. Clarity, structure, and pride. That is the Ealing Clean way. Ealing Clean, every detail matters.